young audiences, by engaging children with the arts, is reminding schools that the arts really have a place in the education that you're offering the children.
Young audiences is giving not only us performers a platform to share our art, it's really helping us all connect the humanity in all of us, that there's more commonality than there is differences.
Students now more than ever benefit from hearing points of view that are outside their own. When I was in high school, I got in a lot of trouble, and I was really fortunate to find theater, to find improvisation when I did. And I was able to find it because a traveling group came and performed at one of the schools that I was at.
That's what Young Audiences is about. They make sure that any artist that comes in has to make some kind of impact or effect on a child's life and educate them.
Arts open up your heart, opens up your mind, and I think that's what artists do. They open up the doors for kids. Young Audiences reaches out to underserved communities, and besides that, they're really good people, and they have the interests of the schools and the kids in their very hearts.
Cultural arts education helps people know who they are. For an organization like Young Audiences to have a diverse roster is really important for going into places and spaces where kids don't necessarily have a teacher that looks like them or speaks their language. It's really vital for kids to see themselves in education. It's also as important for kids to learn about other people through the arts. It gives us a much broader picture of how people see the world and what's important to them. And not only that, it's beautiful and it's fun. And those are things people never forget.